Good morning, students. In the last class, we derived that polytropic process derivation. That are 5 processes are there. That what is the work done in constant pressure process, work done in constant volume process, work done in constant temperature process, work done in polytropic process. Today we have to discuss work done in adiabatic process. Okay, this is adiabatic process is okay. This is a constant pressure process, constant volume work. For constant pressure, what work done is P into V2 minus V1. Constant volume work done equal to 0. Constant temperature work done equal to P1 V1 ln P1 by P2 equal to P1 V1 ln U2 by V1. And for a polytropic process, this we derived in the last class, PV raised to n equal to constant. That is in general. Therefore, from that you derived work done equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. And last derivation is what? That is the fifth one, adiabatic process. In that PV raised to gamma equal to constant. Okay. This is same as previous derivation. Instead of n, you have to write that gamma. Okay, but PV diagram is changed. For adiabatic process, PV diagram, consider that PV diagram to write the pressure along y-axis, volume along x-axis. Okay, and for adiabatic means there is no heat transfer. To draw the PV diagram in the form of curve, that is 1 to 2 PV raised to gamma equal to constant, that is adiabatic. Okay, therefore you know that work done 1 to 2 in general what here. In general, how to write work done? Integration of V1 to V2 PdV. This is our general formula. For PV equal to P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 equal to constant in general. Our aim is what here for adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, what is constant? PV raised to gamma equal to P1 V1 raised to gamma equal to P2 V2 raised to gamma equal to constant. Okay. This is in general adiabatic process. Okay. Therefore, P equal to what? Consider I am to find the value of P. Once you find the value of P, substitute here in the work done. Therefore, P equal to P1 V1 raised to gamma divided by V raised to gamma. Okay. Therefore, work done 1 to 2 equal to P1 V1 raised to gamma divided by minus gamma plus 1. Okay. Now, apply the limit. See here, wait, okay. Therefore, P equal to what? P1 V1 raised to gamma by V raised to gamma. After that, this come here. Therefore, 1 becomes. What is the equation number 1? Okay, this is equation number 1. Replace P by P1 V1 raised to gamma divided by V raised to gamma. Substitute here. Work done 1 to 2 equal to V1 to V2. What is the P1? Sorry, what is the P? P equal to what? P1 V1 raised to gamma divided by V raised to gamma. Substitute here. P1 V1 raised to gamma by V raised to gamma into dV. Because P dV, okay, that is dV. This equal to what is constant here? P1 V1 raised to gamma is constant, take it out. Integration of V1 to V2, 1 by V raised to gamma dV. P1 V1 raised to gamma is constant, take it out. V raised to, okay, gamma sent to numerator, okay, that becomes V raised to minus gamma. Here just I will not put integration sign. Okay, here you have to put integration sign. After that, integration of e raised to minus gamma with respect to dv is what? That means integration of x raised to n with respect to integration of x raised to n with respect to x means x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore, this is P1 V1 raised to gamma into v raised to minus gamma plus 1 by minus gamma plus 1 because n plus 1. N means your minus gamma plus 1. Minus divided by minus gamma plus 1. Okay. That is therefore work done 1 to 2 equal to what is common here? P1 V1 raised to gamma divided by what? Minus gamma plus 1 is common, take it out. Inside bracket is what? Apply the upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is what? V2. Therefore, V means V2 minus V2 raised to minus gamma plus 1 minus v1 raised to minus gamma plus 1. Okay, that equal to what is p1 v1 raised to gamma? P1 v1 raised to gamma equal to p2 v2 raised to gamma. Why? Because here pv raised to gamma equal to p1 v1 raised to gamma equal to p2 v2 raised to gamma. According to that, we have to write, because inside bracket first term is what? v2 raised to minus gamma plus 1 is there. For that, take p1 v1 raised to gamma. I want to take that inside, means p1 v1 raised to gamma into v2 raised to minus gamma plus 1, because I want to put in terms of v2. For that, p1 v1 raised to gamma equal to p2 v2 raised to gamma. Therefore, right here p2 v2 raised to gamma into v2 raised to minus gamma plus 1, keep as it is, minus of, here keep p1 v1 raised to gamma as it is, because here RHS term, that is inside bracket v1 is there, v1 raised to minus gamma plus 1. Therefore, that equal to p2 v2 raised to gamma into v2 raised to minus gamma plus 1, plus into minus minus p1 v1 raised to gamma v1 raised to minus gamma plus 1, divide by what? Minus gamma plus 1. Okay, this is in general. Therefore, work done in 1 to 2 equal to what? You know that a raised to m into a raised to n is what? A raised to m plus n. Therefore, v2 raised to gamma into v2 raised to minus gamma plus 1 is what? Plus gamma minus gamma cancel, v2 raised to 1 means v2. Therefore, expression becomes p2 v2, okay, minus, here also same, a raised to m into a raised to n, v1 raised to gamma into v1 raised to minus gamma plus 1, plus gamma minus gamma will cancel, minus of p1 v1, divide by minus gamma plus 1. Okay, this is equal to p2 v2 minus p1 v1 by minus gamma plus 1. Okay, here I want to change the sign throughout, because I want to write in the form of first one, that p1 v1 like p2 v2. By changing the sign, what happen? Work done 1 to 2 equal to p minus becomes plus, minus p1 v1 is there. I want to change the sign. By changing that sign, what happen? p1 v1 minus p2 v2 divide by what? Gamma minus 1. This is work done in 1 to 2. What is the work done in that adiabatic process? p1 v1 minus p2 v2 by gamma minus 1. Okay, this is in general adiabatic process derivations. Okay, remember that these 5 derivations, almost adiabatic and polytropic process derivations are same. Only change is PV diagram, and in polytropic process PV raised to n equal to constant C will come. PV raised to n here, PV raised to gamma equal to C. Instead of n you have to write C, and PV diagram will changes. Here work done is same. Finally, in polytropic process P1 v1 minus P2 v2 by n minus 1, and here P1 adiabatic P1 v1 minus P2 v2 by gamma minus 1. Okay, these are in general work done in different process. Remember, just you have to draw, remember the work done and PV diagram. In general, remember that what is the work done. Okay, that constant pressure process, constant volume process, constant temperature process, polytropic we derived adiabatic process. Okay, these are the five derivations. Okay, out of this one can be asked. Okay, thank you.